The Lalu family's drama is now attracting a lot of attention. What started as the election loss meeting descended into a full-blown family fight, with Rohini Acharya pointing fingers at Tejaswi close aides Sanjay Yadav and Ramesh, and then being threatened with abuses and slipper. Now, Times Now has access inside details of what really transpired in the RJD meeting, which was held at Tejaswi Yadav's residence, and learned that Lalu Yadav backed Tejaswi Yadav there. Times Now has tried getting a word from Lalu Yadav's elder daughter and Tejaswi Yadav's sister Meesa Bharti on the grave allegation made by Rohini Acharya. She, however, remained tight-lipped. Have a look.
That's Meesa Bharti coming in. That's Meesa Bharti coming in. We'll try to ask the question. आपकी बहन ने आरोप लगाए, क्या कहेंगे? So Meesa has just left the residence of Tejaswi Yadav. She was part of the meeting, and that's the convoy of Meesa Bharti. We tried to reach out to her. We tried to speak to her regarding the allegations that have been leveled by Rohini Acharya, but she did not speak to the media.
Let me go across to my colleague Mohit, who's been tracking all the details from the state of Bihar. Mohit, you tried confronting Meesa Bharti on the allegations leveled by Rohini Acharya. Not just Rohini, but three other sisters are also in the national capital. They have left the Patna residence. What has gone wrong in the Lalu family, and have they given any statement till now?
Well, as of now, Akansha, we haven't heard anything from the Lalu family. In fact, nothing official has come from Tejaswi Yadav. Yesterday, I tried to reach out to Meesa Bharti, but we saw that how she did not respond on any issue. Now, yesterday at the RJD's meeting, the review of the debacle of these elections were being discussed. I asked many leaders about what exactly was the discussion about Rohini Acharya, given the fact that how she has leveled serious allegations against Sanjay Yadav, and Sanjay Yadav was part of that particular meeting. So, in fact, all the leaders said that this issue was not discussed in that particular meeting, but Lalu Prasad Yadav, Tejaswi Yadav, Rabri Devi, Meesa Bharti, all were part of that particular meeting. So this is something which is very shocking, because serious allegations have been leveled by Rohini Acharya, but nothing concrete has come from the RJD side or from the Tejaswi Yadav or Lalu Prasad Yadav or the family side, because Rohini Acharya said that it was Sanjay Yadav who made sure that she's out of the family. She also raised allegations against Zahiri. She also raised allegations against Tejaswi Yadav, but we have not heard anything from anybody from the family. So we have to wait and watch how this family drama will play out, because as of now, while we speak, Rohini Acharya, on the issue of Rohini Acharya or Sanjay Yadav, nothing has been spoken by the Lalu family.
Absolutely. In fact, the Lalu family is completely silent on this ever since one of the daughters has come out with the allegation. Stay on with us, Mohit. Remember, Rohini Acharya spoke of the insult, yet refusing to compromise on the self-respect. In a glimpse of what really transpired, she said that she left her crying parents, the sisters, and walked away from her maternal home. But it gets bigger now. It's not just Rohini. Other members of the family have also left, in a clear indication that the rift is only getting bigger. Three more daughters of Lalu Prasad Yadav, Rohini Acharya's own sister, have left for the national capital from Patna, adding to the tension already gripping the family. Naming Sanjay Yadav, Ramesh and Tejaswi, she had said that they had thrown her out of the family. Listen in.
नहीं, मेरा कोई परिवार नहीं है. अब ये जाकर के आप संजय, रमेश, तेजस्वी यादव से पूछिए. मेरा कोई परिवार नहीं है. वही लोग निकाला है हमको परिवार से, क्योंकि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना नहीं है उनको. पूरा दुनिया बोल रहा है जो चाणक्य बनेगा, तो चाणक्य से आप सवाल पूछिएगा. जब कार्यकर्ता चाणक्य से सवाल कर रहा है, पूरा देश दुनिया सवाल कर रहा है कि पार्टी का ये ऐसा हाल क्यों हुआ. अब जब संजय और रमेश इन लोग का नाम लीजिए तो आपको घर से निकाल दिया जाएगा, आपको बदनाम किया जाएगा, आपको गाली दिलवाया जाएगा, आपके ऊपर चप्पल उठा करके मारा जाएगा.